We are a interdenominational church that meets in downtown Fort Wayne. And as you can see, we meet in what is historically been a warehouse building. One of the things that's been a challenge is that the building, when I first came, was just stark white walls and fluorescent lights.
With the warehouse effect that we had for so many years here, the people weren't sure of where to put their attention. And if there was a distraction, it was lit just as well as anything else in the room, so it became a greater distraction.
When I was first approached about the idea of lights, I think the first thing I said was, we need to do something. But the immediate thought was, how are we going to afford that? And we were absolutely thrilled out of our socks to find out that Custom Sound Design found it in their heart to want to partner in a way with a smaller congregation. You know, we're in a unique setting. We have a unique gathering of folks, and really for us, we found that to be a partnership, if you will. Those friends that were saying, hey, we believe in the fact that you've got doors open in a part of the city that, and in a manner that other churches may not. We have people that for real walk in off the street literally looking for food. So we're grateful for that partnership and for Custom Sound Design being able to make that possible for us.
My interaction with Custom Sound Design on this project has been wonderful. First of all, the gift and what we're looking at, that paintbrush being the power that Custom Sound Design brought to us in this gift. You know, being able to come into a church and basically be done in a day and add what we have is amazing. And I know the cost of our gift, you know, and we're very, very grateful for that. But I also know that there's plenty of churches out there that realistically can reach those kind of funds that need this kind of help. And I hope that maybe seeing this or talking to people from Custom Sound Design, you know, it's beautiful to do, be in on a design of a new church with a beautiful sound system and projectors and all this wonderful things that we can provide. But it's also important to a little guy that is, you know, seeing 20 families a week. It makes a difference right here too. And we'll forever be grateful to Custom Sound Design for the gift, but for more than the gift, showing us and hopefully some of our other friends how a small package of lighting and a controller can change the setting of a room.